Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I am checking out this Tattoo Thermal Stencil to transfer machine. So this comes with some instructions, some transfer paper. We got ourselves a plug-in and then the copier here. So if you are into perhaps getting a tattoo, you can use this to transfer any kind of like a drawing or I believe a picture onto tattoo paper where they like place it over the skin and then do their little markings or whatever instead of like freestyle. So here is the item right here. Looks pretty straightforward. I'm going to show how to use this. Also comes with this paper. Looks to be about 10 sheets of that, so that's kind of nice. And I've dipped into my creative side and just marinate on that for a second. That's deep. That's real deep. I'm going to try to be transferring this over to the paper and we'll see how it works. Okay, my friends, well, I have my beautiful drawing here and I'm going to try to run it through the machine here. Okay, so these have a little piece of paper in between them normally. So it says remove this one. And what you want to do is lift this up. It just lifts up like that. And then you want to feed this yellow paper through here. Doesn't want to let go here. Okay. There we go. Okay, so this yellow paper goes through here. This bottom portion up here like that, you pull that through and then you want to make sure that this is coming through there. So right about here, look underneath to make sure that that's lined up and straight. Okay, equidistant. Put that in there. Now, if it's a photo, then you can push the photo button. This is just this. All right, so you want the drawing facing towards this. Put that in there and then hit copy. Okay, now we can look at our beautiful drawing and see if we have a nice pattern there. Sorry, it's taking me so long to get this apart from the paper there. Oh, good golly. My apologies, my friends. You're joking me, right? I can't get this, okay. Wow, I'd say that is pretty much perfect to that.